Hey everyone, welcome to my video tour of this stunning Elkton floor plan model townhome built by ICI Homes in West End neighborhood of Nocatee. You know, I gotta tell you, this floor plan is something else, something that I've never seen in person before, where the main living headquarters sit on the second floor, offering a fresh twist on everyday living. So get ready for an exciting look at this one-of-a-kind design. And here's the best part. Right now, this floor plan comes with $40,000 in flex cash, baby. Let's jump in and take this tour. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Elkton floor plan in Nocatee's West End. I hope you loved exploring this unique townhome as much as I did. If you're interested in a private showing or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Contact me today, 559-281-2255. Veteran Realtor at your service.